Hello everybody, how's everybody doing today or night? So in this video, I'm going to do a tutorial about how to delete videos on the YouTube app. Not YouTube Studios, I'm just talking about the app. And there's two ways of doing this, so let's get started. Part 1. Step 1. After you opened up the YouTube app, unless you're already in there, you're gonna select your profile picture, and this is the first way of doing it. Step 2. Once you're on your channel, you want to hit manage videos, because let me show you. Let me go back to videos. If you select the three lines, it don't show. I should have made this video a long time ago. So once you hit manage videos, I'm going to show you the next step. Step 3. And the third and final step on this first way of doing it is selecting the three dots, and it says delete video, or like the delete button at the bottom with the trash can. And if you want to do different things, there's different things on there as well, but I mainly wanted to teach you the first way of doing it, so let's move on to the second way. Part 2. Step 1. You want to go over to your profile picture. Step 2. After you select your profile picture, you want to scroll down and select your videos. Step 3. You're going to tap on the three dots like you did before, and it shows everything that you want it to. The delete button is what I'm teaching you, but you could select the other stuff like I said it earlier in the video. So I hope this video was helpful, and you can smack that like button if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new or like my content and want to continue watching. Turn on the bell to get notifications if you really like them so much and you don't want to miss any more content. But until the next time, I'm going to make new videos, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.